Well, hello, everyone. I'm Bob Reid. I'm a gold associate with 7K Metals. And many times people are asked about the pricing that 7K has. One of the membership benefits is that you get to buy gold and silver bullion at member direct prices. That means dealer cost. And what does that mean? Let me just kind of share my screen a little bit here, real quick, and talk about the main benefit of being a member with 7K, and it pays for itself. And that's being where you can buy at dealer direct cost. And this is explains it all right here. Look, gold and silver is in a pure form sent to the U.S. Mint and other mints around the world, like the Canadian Mint, the Australian Mint, the South African Mint, the UK Mint. Different coins of different countries' currencies are made there and guaranteed and verified by the weight and content and purity. And that's why buying from a mint is a coin that is of more value than just uh, uh, what is called bullion rounds or coins that are made by different mints of different purities. And you really have to know where you're buying it from. So you have to buy from a trusted source. Make sure you're getting pure 999 or 49 silver and gold. Okay, so then it's sold to 13 authorized dealers in the United States. They're the only one that buy it from the direct mint. They guarantee to buy all of it from the mint. And the old concept was the dealers sold to wholesalers, brokers, and retailers. But 7K has made it direct in their member direct marketing concept. You join, you get member benefits, you get to buy at the same price that 7K buys at from the dealer. They have contracts with 5 of the major 13 dealers. So let's show exactly what I mean by that and show that you get a good deal. I've been buying gold and silver for over 30 years. I've dealt with every one of the major companies in the past. And so what I'm going to do is share with you, and let's give some exact examples of what we're talking about here. And let me just try and get the screen. Okay, good. And what I want to make sure that we're seeing is here's 7K. And today the market is open, so it's a good time to see these products on a marketplace. Here is a 1 ounce American Eagle coin, and it sells it to its members for $1950.22 for 1 ounce. They are available today. Here's a tube of 2021, the brand new 2021 production from the U.S. Mint, tube of 20 for $763.40. And we're gonna go check some of the other major wholesalers and dealers. So let's go to one of the moneymetals.com. Okay, that's one of the ones that I bought from. We'll go moneymetals.com. We'll do JM Bullion, and we'll do AppMax. Okay, and we'll test those out. So let's go and let's buy silver products. We're going to buy U.S. Mint Silver Eagles. There's a difference between their own product called a Walking Liberty. That is a common coin. That's a specialty coin. That is not a U.S. Mint Silver Eagle. Now, so we're going to talk about the pricing, and it says, here's random year as low as $36.88. Oh, really? So if you're just looking at the website and you personally don't really buy, you're just checking it out, you're going to say, well, gee whiz, 7K's price is higher than moneymetals.com. It's $38.17. Well, that's not true, because see, moneymetals.com price is $37.88. Okay, that's a random year, but we're doing the brand new 2021. It's $37.98 if you buy 1 through 39. You have to get that as low as price. You have to buy 500 to 2,500 ounces just to get $36.98, or you have to buy over 2,500 ounces. That's a lot of money. Plus, you got your 1099B reporting requirements because you're buying over $10,000 worth. And you'll see that they do report and do a 1099B on you. Now, Silver Eagles is one that you should be able to buy and not have reporting requirements on according to law. Let's look at JM Bullion. Okay, here's JM Bullion. We got it up right here. And there's, say, in the front of their website, as low as $38.44. Really? But if you're going to buy like most people buy, you're going to buy with a card, or PayPal. If you buy with a check or wire, well, you got to wire the money in. There's a cost for that. We can take ACH, send it in the Sound Money wallet, and you're just buying with cash. It's $37.85. Let's go back to 7K, and we look at the 21. It's $38.17 if you buy 1 or 1,000. Let's go here. It's $37.85 with a wire. Okay, it's $39.43. So let's go right back again and look up here in the bullion coin. Here's that bullion coin, 37 common date, American Eagle, 37.52. Doesn't matter if you buy 1 coin or 1,000 coins. Let's go back over here and let's go to Money Metals and look at their bullion coin, random year, so we can compare apples with apples. It's $37.88, okay, and $37.52, okay. So you see that, let's go to AppMax. I want to go to AppMax and let's look at the prices with AppMax. They are a dealer, but they sell direct to random year, same thing, as low as $36.74. Wow, that's a good price. Okay, but if you see, if you're buying with a check or wiring, you got to wire it in. Now, a check doesn't cut it because they won't say you that until it cashes, turns to cash. So you don't really know what price you get when you check it and sending it in. That's their terms. Well, most people buy it because they want to buy it right now. They want to know what they're getting it at, and it's $40.35. Okay, you buy it with 7K, it's going to be $37.52. Well, let's check that 2021 tube of 20, $763.40. Let's go check the tube of 20. Here it is, tube of 20. Let's bring it up. That's 2021 tube of 20. It is in stock. It's in stock at 7K. The supply is working out better. Tube of 20, well, gee whiz, they're not giving us tube of 20 price, are they? They're giving us the individual price, and we're going to have to multiply it out. Typically, we get the tube of 20. Let's get the tube of 20 pricing up here. There we go. Now we can compare apples with apples. Tube of 20, 2021. If you buy 1 to 4, it's going to be $782. What was it at 7K? $763. Look, there's $21 saving just in 20. It won't be long. You paid off your membership price. Then you get all the other benefits of 7K. And that is 2021. Let's look at let's look at AppMax while we're at it right here. Let's look at that tube of 20. That's random year. We want the 2021. There we go. That's used. So let's go in here and get silver. And I wish it would give me, I'll tell you what, why don't we just quickly compare the Canadian maple leaf since we got it up there. This is a pre-sale because that means they don't have them in stock. Okay. And so let's look here at the maple leaf with the 7K. And we find a maple leaf at 34.17. But that's a 2021. That's a premium versus the that random year. So we'll find it, but it is 35.24 when comparing apples to apples. Okay, let's go back. Make sure you see it, 34.17. So again, it doesn't matter what product we're talking about. If you compare apples to apples and you look at the detail, you get past the smoke and mirrors of the marketing advertising as low as, because you don't get it as low as. Nobody buys like that except the super rich. And now let's go into, this is money metals. Let's go into AppMat, go down a little bit further. Let's pick a couple of other products, then we'll go to gold, and then we'll talk about sellback prices, okay? One of the things I like to do too in 7K is look in your Sound Money wallet, because you can buy anytime and instantly convert it and store, and you can store up to $65,000. I mean, $25,000 worth of portfolio value for free. And so you can see you're buying right now, this price changes all the time, but you're buying Silver Eagles at 38.18. And it doesn't matter if you buy one or you buy 1,000, or you can buy incremental amount. You can buy $10 worth of silver, and it deposit in, and it goes to the 6 significant decimal figures of your product. What I want to do is talk a little bit about the buyback, sell back. Let's go to JM Bullion and let's sell to them, okay? And let's hit a couple of the sell back prices, and we're going to sell to them. Their procedure, all procedures are about the same in selling back, but let's see random year, their buyback price is $27.96 for random year. Buyback for 2021 right now is $28.21. 7K's buyback from you is at $33.43. So when we say we have the highest buyback prices, it's a fact. Now, there's a significant difference right there. $6 an ounce on the buyback. Let's go to AppMax, and let's sell back to AppMax and see what the deals are there. Sell to them. Let's get a price. We're going to sell to them. We're going to sell. They're going to want. Oh yes, AppMax does all that quoting and stuff, and but they should give kind of a standard, but they don't anymore. Okay, so I can't give you a quick comparison, but I can tell you I've dealt with them for years. They give you nowhere near the price that JM Bullion and Kitco gives you. Okay, and here's Money Metals now. Money Metals also has secure storage. AppMax and JM Bullion doesn't, But money metals secure storage is in a different manner than what 7K. 7K's only does eagles, 1 ounce silver eagles, 1 ounce gold eagle, because they're fungible. It's like cash. It's like real money. It trades, and that's what you want. So money metals, when I do money metals, you can only do it in their product. It's a little bar. And so if you want to exchange it, you have to buy their bar, and then if you want to sell it, you sell it back to them at their bar, because they don't ever ship these bars out. So what I mean, you can open your account, you can look at it, and you can see their fees are much more. They're in Massachusetts and Delaware, and that's where I had it. And you know, up to $16,000, it's $100. You get up to $25,000 portfolio free with 7K, just the fees. Let's just compare fees. After 25,000, you're charged 0.5%. So 1/2 of 1% for your value over 25,000. And as you see, you're going to have to get a portfolio of almost $1 million even to approach that price. And they just lowered these recently because of the competitive nature. And so what type of bullion you know, are you talking about, and what kind of products are you storing in terms of their product? And it's that bar. Oh, where is their bar at? Real quick. View Vault Metals, here it is. And these are the bars, that's it. And it's a 1 troy ounce silver bar. So they don't ship it in and out. So they only have to validate to the insurance company that it's valid, because it's a class 3 secure vault, just like 7K's is. And it's for, and they have a different insurance carrier than Lloyd's of London. We have Lloyd's of London and 7K. But this is storage only. They do not ship. And so what you're going to see is you have a buy price that you buy it at. And then if you want to sell it, you have a sell price that they buy it back from you. And then if you want to buy Silver Eagles and have them shipped to you, because they don't ship this to you. This is their store product. So that you do have gold and silver bars, but it's theirs, but it's yours. It's kind of, it's a hard concept to understand sometimes, but you're going to have to pay these exchange fees to convert it, and then you buy at the buy rate of the Silver Eagles, whatever their price, and their price is higher than 7K. Whereas in 7K, you can just buy the product direct, store it in here, and then when you want it shipped to you, you just do a transfer, have the gold and silver shipped to you. You pay the shipping and handling fees, and that's that, and the processing fees for it. When you buy it, there are no fees. You go direct from cash into here, and there are no fees for that. So you can buy gold and silver Eagles anytime, 24/7. This market is open 24/7. We're open in London, we're open in Singapore, we're open in the United States. So we're kind of open in our vault 24/7. And so if you want to buy products and have them shipped directly to you, then you buy in our dealer direct price at our dealer direct prices. And so now let's check real quick a couple of the gold prices. Oh, look what happened, even just a little bit of time that we were looking at this, because products are selling out pretty quick. New inventories coming into the marketplace. But so let's go to JM Bullion, and let's look real quick at the Gold Eagle, get our prices for the Gold Eagle. And there is 2021 stock in and it's as low as $1969.95. There is, so that's a common date. So let's go get the common date product. So we're talking apples to apples. Random year common date. There we go. And you notice it's out of stock. So we really can't get a real price on it. But they say it's low as $1954.95, 1954. Let's look here. And gee whiz, 7K is cheaper again. But you can't get that 1954 because why? Let's look at the real price of this product. That's if you're buying what? Oh, 100 ounces. How many people have 195,000, almost 200 grand to buy some? Well, what you're really buying is 1 to 9. Most people buy 1 or 2 coins. Okay, and they pay what? Okay, we're talking 2,052 versus what 7K is going to say you at 1,900. I mean, that's $100 and say, one coin you buy, you pay for the membership, but buy 2 and it's paid for. And then you get all the other benefits in 7K. Do I say this is a no-brainer? Yes. But I've been buying gold and silver for 30 years. I don't get fooled by all the smoke and mirror advertising like most people do. Hopefully this helps you answer some of the objections that people who cursorily just surf the net and get fooled by the smoke and mirror advertising of all the brokers and wholesalers that are out there. And hopefully they're not buying from some of these third-party, non-trusted sites, and they buy themselves a tube of 20 and they think they got a great price and they snuck a fake one in one of those. Buy from trusted sources, buy from people who buy direct from mints or direct from the dealers who buy direct from the mints, like 7K. Thank you for your time. I hope this helped a lot of people with understanding that 7K provides some of the best pricing, if not the best price, in the marketplace over long term. And it definitely gives you the highest buyback prices in the industry. I appreciate your time, and I hope this helped. Bob Reid, wishing you a great 7K day, living a lifestyle powered by gold and silver.